So this is very, very important. I have a few things that I have to say here. That tobacco is the single most great issue where deaths are caused. I'm very thankful to Cipla again for joining with the government of Goa for tobacco-free Goa. Tobacco-free Goa.
If you look at how much of damage it is doing in gross terms to our economy, it's shocking. For instance, if I were to tell you that if we completely manage to eradicate smoking from Goa, it would have an impact of 3 to 5% increase in our GDP, our state's GDP. From that, you can gauge how much of an impact it would make nationally.
And we try to enforce the regulatory measures to control tobacco consumption. But if you want to bring a change, it's the educational approach that matters a lot. And that's the reason we tied up with Cipla company, Cipla Health India, to bring a change in this behavior by educating and training different categories of people. So we signed the MOU 1 year back, and we had a series of activities, and today we are launching on the second phase of it.
The biggest initiatives that we are driving as Cipla, I was like, overwhelmed. And the reason is that it's not easy for a smoker to give up tobacco. It takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of convincing, and it actually requires a complete scientific approach to making it happen.